Yo, what is going on, everybody? TG here. We are back with another video. I thought I'd brief you guys about cryptocurrency. I know it's the middle of the day. We're still in quarantine, unfortunately. But there's some big news in crypto, and the entire crypto market just dropped massive within a quick period of time. I want to show you guys the Bitcoin chart right now because it is actually astounding how fast things have dropped in just a couple of minutes. If we look, Bitcoin was trading good, mid 52,000s, and then all of a sudden, just out of nowhere, it crashed hard down to 43,285. It has rallied back to 46,760. But overall, the entire market of crypto is down over 10% right now. It's down 11.74. Some of them taking massive hits. Solana somehow is still green. And we're gonna talk about that a little bit more. That's actually one of the reasons behind this sell-off, in my opinion. You have Dogecoin down 17%, down 25. This was actually a lot lower at one point. This is at 21 cents. So the dips are being bought up, obviously, like they always do. Everyone always seems to buy up the dips on these things. But overall, it's still a massive hit. And you're even noticing these into the stocks that deal with these cryptocurrencies as well. If you look at Riot stock, down a pretty hefty amount. Obviously recovered from lows. I mean, this thing was 30.91. It's 32.05 now. That's a pretty big recovery, especially percent wise. It's about 4% recovery. But one of the big reasons behind all this, in my opinion, and a lot of other people's, is one, this El Salvador thing. The El Salvador president signed into law today that Bitcoin is now legal tender within El Salvador. And he's also been buying up a lot of Bitcoin. Now, if we know El Salvador is not a great economy. It's not a great country at all, economically speaking. This push towards cryptocurrency, while it is revolutionary, it doesn't necessarily make a whole lot of sense. And the reason I say this is because that country is struggling so much, and a lot of people don't have bank accounts, which helps cryptocurrency, but they also don't have a lot of money. And if you know anything about cryptocurrency, one, it fluctuates a ton, and two, it's very expensive to send. If I want to send cryptocurrency to someone, it's going to cost me a pretty decent amount. If you want to send Ethereum to someone, it's going to cost a lot. You look at Ethereum gas prices, literally through the roof right now. It is so expensive to buy, sell, or send cryptocurrency. At least the big ones, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, what El Salvador is doing is they're making it legal tender, which means you are allowed to purchase things anywhere with Bitcoin. But the issue is, again, these fees. I want to send $10 of Bitcoin to someone, I'm going to be paying about $2 and something cents, which percent-wise is huge. They don't really do it by percent. They do it more on the fees. So depending on the website you use, Coinbase obviously is the most expensive when it comes to fees. I tried to sell $20,000 worth of cryptocurrency, and I had to pay over $900 worth of fees, and that was a while ago. It's actually even more now. So you're paying a huge, hefty price to buy and sell these cryptocurrencies, and it's just going to be very expensive for the citizens. Another big issue that has been happening in the cryptocurrency marketplace is these NFTs. NFTs saw 3.4 billion transaction volume in August. Now, that was that one cryptocurrency we were talking about, Solana. They deal a lot with NFTs, especially Ethereum as well. But they deal a lot with NFTs. And NFTs, first off, there is so many scams in this NFT marketplace, and it is almost becoming a joke at this point. Now, look, I'm not trying to bash on crypto. I like crypto. I own crypto. Some cryptos, some I will not own, but some of the big ones I think are worth owning. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are the big three that you want to own. I think a lot of these other ones are just pure spec. I mean, there's literally over 12,000 other cryptocurrencies out there. You want to talk about something legitimizing something, I don't think that you're going to have 11,000 or 12,000 cryptocurrencies. I don't think people are going to be paying for things with sushi swap. I just don't think that's what's going to happen. But again, I have no idea. I mean, none of us do. Otherwise, we'd be very rich. But again, cryptocurrency is recovering a lot from the lows. But these NFTs are becoming a big issue. in just the legitimacy of cryptocurrency, and it makes a mockery out of things like Bitcoin. So if you're into Bitcoin, you're not into these NFTs, you're not into the Doge coins, the meme coins, because they make a joke out of cryptocurrency, honestly. So it depends. You have the people who are super bullish on like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then you have the people who are the altcoin buyers, the ones that are buying, things like we talked about, Tron and all that stuff like that, Solana, all those ones. So they're kind of battling against each other right now on, the winners that are going to be, because there's only going to be a couple winners there. A lot of these cryptos in the next 10 years are going to die out. I mean, there's no way all of them survive. That's just not the point of cryptocurrency. But there's going to be a couple that survive. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum will be fine. I'm not worried about those ones at all. But I am worried about a lot of these other ones, the Safe Moons and all those ones. There's so many scam tokens out there that again, it delegitimizes the main ones. So I think that's been an issue that's been hurting it. So you have the NFTs, you have this El Salvador thing. I don't know. It doesn't bode well for crypto. But again, we'll have to see what happens. But I think these are the biggest reasons why crypto is dropping. Also, in the video, I talked about how China's coming after Bitcoin and cryptocurrency mining. So there's just a lot of negative sentiment on it, and a lot of things that are wrecking it for cryptocurrency. But again, we'll have to see. I mean, this could recover in literally a couple hours, or this could be the start of a big drop. So it's exactly 47,000 right now. We'll see what it is tomorrow. I'll definitely be watching it closely. But yeah, I think it's going to be interesting to see, and I'm curious to hear your guys' thoughts on all this. So enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day. Remember to like, subscribe, means a ton to me. And hop in our Discord and chat with us. It's totally free. Link in the description below. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on all of this, because it is a wild drop. I mean, that's a massive drop, especially for Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum was just at exactly 4,000. And then it dropped all the way to 3,000 exactly. I mean, that's a massive, massive drop. Obviously, it's recovered half the gains since then. Almost all of them did. But again, we'll just have to see what happens. But anyways, guys, enjoy your day. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.